We are going to make this. Welcome to our another video. You are watching adobic. First we will cut photo in Photoshop. Take Magic Wand tool and click on Select Subject. Now click on Mask. Create a new layer. And press Shift plus F5. Then select Color. Now select any vibrant color. Now select Mask. And take black color brush to remove unwanted area. If you removed any part by mistake, then take white color brush and recover it. Then save this as Photoshop PSD file. Open CorelDRAW. Take page size as you want. Double-click on Rectangle tool to make page size rectangle. Now import shoes image. Import Nike logo. Click on Trace Bitmap, then Line Art. Hit Ctrl plus Page Down button to send back. Take Eyedropper tool, pick a color from shoes and fill to rectangle. Now hit G button and drag this. Increase black color for darkness. Make orange color outline text. I am adjusting brightness and contrast. Apply transparency divide effect on black color. Normal transparency on orange color. Now select both line. Now drag with mouse to copy it. Press Ctrl plus D button to repeat copy command. Now select all text and group this. Go to Object menu. Power clip, then select Place Inside Container and click on Rectangle. Now make black color ellipse. Then apply blur effect. Transparent this and adjust transparency. I make this to darken whole corner. Now write text. Take polygon tool and make a hexagon. Now import logo and trace this to change color. Make rectangle and rounded all corner with Shape tool. Now your post is ready.